Hey guys, welcome to Carve Culture. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a Sari gift wrap. So here I've got a Sari gift wrap. This one's unopened, and I've got one here which I'm going to be using to demonstrate how to use it. So we put the Sari gift wrap into this diamond shape, and then we place our gift in the middle of it. And then we're going to fold this corner over like that, and this corner over as well. And then we're going to wrap this over our gift and keeping the tension quite strong like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to fold in the sides like this, both sides, and that way we can keep hold of the tension. And then we can bring them close together and tie them into a knot like that. And just to secure it, I'm just going to tie it into another knot. And that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you do want to get yourself one of these Sari gift wraps, I will put a link in the description so that you can check that out. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.